Yes. So what you will be saying, that is Pythagoras theorem is there, and converse of Pythagoras theorem is removed. From this time, this is and area theorem. Four theorems are there. First was basic proportionality theorem. Second was area. Third is Pythagoras. Fourth is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Four theorems were there. Now what you have to do? The second theorem I will be explaining. That is Pythagoras. After that, area of triangle and converse of Pythagoras theorem I will explain. That is, now in Pythagoras theorem is what? Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, the sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of third side. Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle, the sum of the square of two sides is equal to the square of the third side. Now in this, in right angle triangle, so what you will be doing? That is, you will write, you make this figure. This is the right angle triangle. A, B, C. This is 90 degree. In right angle triangle. Now what you have to prove? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So given in right angle triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree. To prove that is to what you have to prove, that is AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Now construction. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. This is BD perpendicular to AC. Now prove ABC in triangle ABC and triangle ADB. ABC and triangle ADB. ABC, this triangle ADB. In this triangle, what you will say? Angle A equal to angle A, common. Angle ABC equal to angle ADB equal to 90 degree. After that, what you have to write? Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB. Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB by a similarity. When two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. So therefore, AB upon AD, BC upon DB, AC upon AB. Now taking AB upon AD equal to AC upon AB. Now AB into AB square equal to AC into AD. First equation. Similarly, you will write directly similarly. BC square equal to AC into DC. This is ABC and CDB. This is small triangle. There are no marks for this, so no need to write directly. You can write that is similarly BC square equal to AC into DC. Adding equation 1 and 2. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. So you will say AB square plus BC square equal to AC AD plus BC. AB square plus BC square AC into AC. So what you will get? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Hence proved. This is how you have to do this theorem. Understood this theorem? Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle, the sum of the square of two sides is equal to the square of the third side. In Pythagoras, in right angle, the sum of the square of two sides. So ABC is a right angle triangle. You have to prove AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Construction draw BD perpendicular to AC. Prove in triangle ABC and triangle ADB. ABC, ADB, ABC and ADB. Angle A equal to angle A common. Angle ABC and angle ADB equal to 90 degree. So triangle ABC and triangle ADB are similar by AA similarity. When two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion. When sides are in proportion, then you will say AB upon AD equal to AC upon AB. You are taking from this equation. Cross multiply. You will get AB square equal to AC into AD. Similarly, BC square equal to AC into DC. AC into DC. After that, adding both the equations, you will get AB square plus BC square equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. So AC into AC, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Hence, proved. Understood? So this is what the Pythagoras theorem. Second theorem is converse of Pythagoras theorem. For the syllabus, only 2 theorems are there, and try to do the questions. Second exercise and third exercise you have to do. You can try yourself. And now very important, I will explain the converse theorem also and the area theorem, so that you must know the theorem, but for exam you can leave it. Now second theorem comes. Second theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem. This is in a triangle. If the inner triangle, if the sum of the squares, sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of third side, then angle opposite to third side is 90 degree. Now how will you prove this theorem? This is one triangle. Now what is given? A, B, C, this triangle is given. AB square plus BC square equal to AC. This square is given. Construction, what you will do? You have to draw same type of triangle, PQR. But here you have to mention 90 degree, but here you have to prove this angle is 90 degree. AB, this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So given in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. To prove angle B 90 degree, simply you have to remember that you have to prove these two triangles are congruent. When you are proving these two triangles are congruent, then you will say this angle is equal to this angle by CBCD, and this angle is 90 degree, so B is also 90 degree. Now construction. Draw a right angle triangle PQR. PQ equal to AB, QR equal to BC. Draw right angle triangle PQR, angle Q 90 degree. Now proof. In right angle triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square equal to PR square. Now PQ in place of PQ. PQ is equal to this. So you will write AB square. In place of QR, write BC square. PR square. In bracket you can write, because PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC. AB square plus BC square is what? AC square. AB square plus, here you write PC and PC, AC square equal to PR square, or AC equal to PR. Here you will write AB square plus BC square equal to what? AC square. अब आ गया in triangle PQR and triangle ABC. PQ equal to AB, QR equal to BC, PR equal to AC. ये तो कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रूफ. ट्राइंगल PQR congruent to triangle ABC. Triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC. By as congruency. So what you will say? Angle Q equal to angle B by CP. Angle Q 90 degree. Therefore, angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. Hence, proof. Okay, beta. This is converse of Pythagoras theorem. You can do the question of this.